The Ford Ranger has been the most popular model of pickup since I can remember, and I'm here at Centurian Automotive, which have the UK's largest collection of bespoke Ranger. Let's check out this one to the left of me. This is the carbon edition. So we can see all these customizable parts on the car. It's got carbon wrap here, carbon wrap down here as well. They've got their own unique, specific wheel design that you cannot get anywhere else in the world apart from Centurion Automotive. We've got this gorgeous carbon wrap bonnet scoop, and the front looks delicious. Look at this, get that in. Wing mirrors are carbon as well. We're going to come to the right, we've got the gold edition, and this is very similar. You've got gold parts, all detailing different bits of the Ranger, and it doesn't just have to be gold edition. No, 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 come with me. Let's go for a run. This is exciting stuff. It could be the bronze edition or the off yellow orange edition. It could be just normal jet black. You could have the baby Hulk with green accents. And no, 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 it doesn't just stop there. You can have other customizable things like this. Ever seen suicide doors on the Ranger? Follow me. Over here. Come on, keep up. Over here, we've got this gorgeous gloss white, and check this out. The kind of stuff you see in Rolls-Royce is now in a Ford Ranger. Look at all that space back there, but isn't that cool? I'm going to get out of the way. Look at those suicide doors. Very, very snazzy. Thing that goes back there. What do you guys think of the UK's largest collection of bespoke Ford Rangers? Let me know in the comments down below. Throw us a cheeky like, get subbed, and we'll see you on the next one.